Mount now.
Engine mount, here we come.
Couple of clips for the coolant reservoir. That flipped out of the way.
So we got 13, 2 16s, and 2 18s.
13.
Starting with the 13. Color.
The car, I think it's Black Magic Pearl. Hey, is this Uni Black or Black Magic Pearl? Do you know? Black Magic Pearl.
Alrighty. Bringing them jack
rubber
over.
on the pan.
Bringing the jack over in the oil pan. Be careful. So if you have a rubber block or some kind of cushion.
Big piece of wood works good. 18.
2 18s.
Pop our mounts out. This thing got a leaker. Piece of junk, sorry.
Leaky alternator pulley.
First things first, look inside. There's a triple square 10 on the shaft of the alternator. You got a long triple 10, a short triple 10. We're gonna try the long because I don't know where my 12mm wrench went. I think I lost it somewhere, so we'll hope this 10 works. 15. Slide that in there, make sure you got a good bite. Put your 15 on. Okay, crack it loose from the hub. Loosen up the serpentine belt. Oops, got seal failure, slinging it everywhere. Pulley.
Any particular reason why they're that color?
I don't know, it's a different manufacturer for sure than what came with it, I'll tell you that.
Putting the belt back on.
The belt's on. You can put the... Okay.
Saying you can put the belt on last.
It's gotta be one, yeah. I like to put it on now. Just like holds it a
What
little
size
tighter.
tools again?
This is a triple 10. Then you have your multi-spline alternator tool. There's multiple sizes, but Volkswagen only uses one. I don't know what size this is. This looks to be like a 14 or a 16.
Alrighty, the mount's going back in. Jacking the car up, leveling it out. Two 16s. Hand thread them in. Put the 13 in.
4 16s.
18s.
18s, sorry.
Followed by 2 18s.
Okay. Okay.
All right, two 18s are in. Pull the jack out. We're done with that. Now we're going to install the reservoir. Plug your temp sensor back in.
Okay.
You have to install your cap on the alternator.
Jump the gun there. We got a 2021 Tiguan DDS engine. We did a upper transmission mount for a vibration, an engine mount for a leak, an alternator pulley clutch for a leak, lower control arm bushings due to delamination from the metal ring housings, and a little bit of maintenance. We did an oil change, a brake flush, and a pollen filter.